my loves, potato salad is a great side dish, but if you don't know how to make it, people will talk about you, trust. So we're peeling it, quartering it, add to cold water with a little lemon juice or vinegar to keep them from browning. Place potatoes in seasoned boiling water until tender with eggs, of course. Put up some veggies, some celery, scallion, onions, peppers, and this is some hot pickled Haitian pickled slaw called Pikliz. You could also use those pickled peppers in the jars in the supermarket. Hellman's mayo, sofrito, mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sugar, chopped veggies, your relish, all that good stuff. Don't worry, I got the recipe in the description box. Now adjust your salt and pepper to your taste and chop up your eggs and your potatoes. Oh my God, please do not add mayo to hot potatoes. Ew. But do you if that's what you like, okay? Then you're gonna garnish, pop Miss Girl in the fridge, let her chill. Ahead of time, you got great tasting potato salad.